nice rustic pine cross. It's 18 by 12, and if you're interested in owning one of these, it's on Etsy. Check the link below. How are you all today? Today we're going to make a cross. Probably one of the first things you do in woodwork class in school, making a cross, because it involves a simple half lap joint. It's 2 inches by 1.5 inches. Now first things first, let's square it up. This will be, cross member is going to be 12 inches, which is roughly 305 mil. I'll square that again. This is the vertical, and we're going to make that 18 inches. Okay, square again. So we're going to mark out, we're going to find the center now. That's pretty easy. The foot is 12 inches. There we go. 6 inches. That's the center. And this is exactly 2 inches. So when I mark this cross piece, I go 5 here. Square it. And we take our piece and cover the line. When you're doing this, cover the line. Just the pencil line. That way you know it'll be good and tight when you mark this side. Now, so as I said, this is 40 mil, so 20 mil, which is roughly 3/4 of an inch. So if I put the point of the pencil there, and this will be for your cross. We turn that up like that. If we go forward to here, this side, yeah, we've got 12. And use another piece of timber for hitting. Obviously don't hit with the hammer, otherwise you'll leave a load of, as we call them here, half crowns. That used to be the old coinage. There we go. So with the wee block plate. Right, just sanding where I've used a block plane, just giving a wee sand just to take any sharp as well. But I think this grain, I'm gonna just a light sand there, but I'm gonna keep the kind of roughness of it. As I said, the old rugged cross. here we have a clear furniture wax, easy to apply, dries 5 to 10 minutes. You can apply numerous coats. You can put it on painted or unpainted, but great for bringing up the grain, which I'm hoping it'll do now with this pine cross. There's no cloth here, just put it in and just rub it in. Starts to bring out the colours. And here it is, nice rustic pine cross. I put a hook on it for hanging on the wall. That's 18 by 12, and if you're interested in owning one of these, it's on Etsy. Check the link below.